This video is going to show how to create a custom schematic symbol in OrCAD PSpice. Right-click on the mcp6547.txt file from the provided files and select Rename. Change the file extension to .lib. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Select File, New, Library from the menu. A new library has been added to the project hierarchy. Right-click and select Save As. Browse to a location to save the library. Name the library mcp6546.olb and click Save. Right-click on the library and select New Part. Name the part mcp6546. Set the PCB footprint to SOT235. Leave all other settings as the defaults and click OK. Adjust the size of the bounding box to be 4 units wide and 4 units tall by dragging the corners of the box. Select Place Polyline from the menu, or click the Place Polyline button on the toolbar. Click to begin a line and draw a triangular shape. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard to draw a diagonal line. Click to end the line. Right-click and select End Mode. Select Place Line from the menu, or click the Place Line button on the toolbar. Draw 2 lines for the voltage supply extending from the triangle midpoints. Right-click and select End Mode. Select Place Pin from the menu, or click the Place Pin button on the toolbar. Set the name to V+ and the number to 1. Set the shape to short. Click OK. Click to place the input pins. Click to place the positive and negative supply pins at the top and bottom. Click to place the output pin. Right-click and select End Mode. Select the Edit Pins button from the sidebar. The Edit Pins window will open. Set the pin names to match the part datasheet. Click OK. On the part canvas, click and drag the labels away from the component for better visibility. Rotate as needed with R on the keyboard. Select File, Save to save the part. Select Associate PSpice Model. Under Select Library to pick matching models, select the ellipsis. Browse to the location of the mcp6547.lib file and select Open. Select Next. Set the symbol pins to match the model terminals in the table. Click Finish. Select File, Save to save the part and close the tab. Select Place Part from the menu, or click the Place Part button on the toolbar. In the Libraries table, select mcp6546. The newly created part will appear in the parts list. Select the existing op-amp and press Delete on the keyboard. In the Place Part window, select the part and click Place Part. Click to place the part in the schematic canvas. Right-click and select End Mode. Select Place Wire from the menu, the Wire button on the toolbar, or press W on the keyboard. Wire the connections to each pin of the comparator. Press Escape on the keyboard when finished. Select the Voltage Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe on the square out net. Right-click and select End Mode. Select PSpice Edit Simulation Profile from the menu. Select Configuration Files from the sidebar. Select Library under Category. Select Browse. Navigate to the mcp6547.lib file, select it, and click Open. Select Add to Design. Click OK to save the simulation settings and close the window. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the simulation results. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.